in, let me launch a poll and let me know, is this your first time to our webinar? Okay, let's get started. Yes, no, yes, oh, good. We have a couple of first timers here in our webinar. So let me tell you more about what we do here. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for a specific currency each day. Monday, we'll talk about the Aussie, New Zealand. Tuesday, Euro. Wednesday is the pound. Thursday, yen and gold. Friday, Canadian dollar and the Bitcoin. So today it's a Wednesday, so we'll be talking about the pound. Okay, and this webinar is going to be very beneficial to long-term investors or short-term traders. During this session, Jin will be walking through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlight potential targets, and risk. Of course, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So do remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So for those who are new here, my name is Daniel. I've known Jin for many years, first as a student and now as a business partner. Jin runs LCMS Traders, where this club is all about, where training is conducted as well, and Forex Briefcase, which is our managed account services, where Jin trades an AUM of more than 9 million USD on a daily basis. Jin has been invited to speak on many stages globally. And in fact, one of the reasons why you might be here is because you might have seen him presented at an event. Recently, he has also been invited to Money FM, a Singapore finance radio talk show, to give his views on what is happening on the Forex market. So while we're going to get started, I'm going to launch another poll, just to let me know, excuse me, let me know how did you get here and how do you get to know this webinar. Okay, so it's great to let us know so that we can reach out to more people as well. Or we have people for Facebook Live, Telegram channel, else Traders Club members, or email registration as well. So if you do have friends and family who do trade Forex, do invite them to this webinar. It's going to be very beneficial for them when they start trading every day on the Forex market. Okay, so while you're still doing the poll, I'm going to hand over to Jin right now. Jin, all yours.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? How's everyone? How's everyone? Come on, give me a big thumbs up. Give me a reaction. Tell me something. Let me know that you're here. Let me know you're present and ready to go. Come on, not everyone's doing it. Good stuff. All right. Hey, Trading View. Awesome. Okay, so we are live on Facebook as well, Forex Trading Asia on Facebook group. So if you get the chance, help us click like, click share. I know it's really hard to do, to click one button, but you know, we have been doing this for more than 100 videos now already. So take that little bit of action, help us click like, click share on Forex Trading Asia. With that said, today we are going to be talking about the pound US dollar and also looking a bit back into the euro pound. And also, if you have any questions, please put them into the Zoom chat on the side. If you're watching us on Facebook, then, you know, make sure you join the Zoom call. The guys will put in the link there later for you as well. Just having a look at that. Okay. Just a quick action. I need everyone here, everyone who's been attending. I know there are a few new people here. I know there are a lot of regulars. See names that I recognize. Can you put it into the chat if you are not already signed up for the 4-day program? Or even if you are, put it in the chat that you are signed up for the 4-day program and you're looking forward to it. I want to see the chat going crazy. Come on, are you signed up or are you not signed up? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Okay. There are a few of you not signed up yet, so date's too far away. You have to wait for the good stuff, Jason. You have to wait for the good stuff. Alrighty. Okay, so for those of you not signed up yet, I'm going to tell you about the 4-day program. this is your last few chance to sign up. Chinwei is going to put in the link there for me. 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg, teaching you how to look at it over 4 days, how to trade, how I look at the markets, how I interpret the analysis, the strategies that I deploy, the same way that I've been doing this videos, looking at it, identifying targets, support, resistance lines, all that kind of stuff. The 5 guys are there. We'll be coaching you through the whole thing, giving you this 5-step strategy, how to look at news, how to look at trends, support, resistance lines, look at all the indicators, price action, all that kind of stuff, and also how not to be caught by any surprises in the market. Okay, we will have indicators that I will be providing to you. No subscription, no catch, no nothing. There will be a link. It might be either sent to you on email. There will be a link on Dropbox. Somehow we'll get it to you for you to download, for you to install, for you to use for as long as you want. Okay. It will be fully online, fully streamed online. It's not a recording that we send you a video and you watch. Okay. So I will be presenting it. You can ask questions. We can repeat. We can review. We can answer your questions, fully streamed online, so that you get the live coaching sessions. We used to do this in person over 2 days. We can't do in-person sessions. We can't travel. So we're doing this fully online right now. All the things that you learn, regardless of whether you've never traded before or you've been trading like an expert, I'm sure that over these 4 days, you will have new things that you learn, new things that you can improve on, and I'll guide you through that whole process. It is not $4,000. Chinwei, I think he's putting in the code already, but if he hasn't, he'll put in the code now. Put in the code. There will be a code in the Zoom chat here to get it absolutely free, $0. I know your next question is going to be, what's the catch? Why is Jin so nice to do this for $0? 4 days, 22nd September, 24th, 29th, and the 1st of October from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. over those 4 days. GMT plus 8, a 10 for free. Why is it free? There's no catch. There is no catch, okay? It is free because I know that during this period of time, you're all most likely sitting at home. You want to build a new skill. You want to have that additional source of income. This is why we're doing it. We want to teach you. We want to make sure that you get it and you learn and you trade and you make money and you tell us, give us the feedback on how fantastic it has been for you. Okay, so what you do here is you go click sign up. Oops, click sign up. Go to fill in all your details there. Put in the code. Put in the code that the guys have just put into the chat, and you get it absolutely free. Don't even put in your credit card details. I don't want your details at all. And click submit. So that way you know that it's 100% free. Okay? So those of you who have not joined, you're missing out. You're missing out. Make sure you click join and get on board. With that said, just to share with you the trading competition that we also run. Franco, I don't think Franco's on the call right now, but Franco came out of nowhere, stormed to the second place right now, $130 in profit. Second place from Ko Jun Ing at $1,000 profit. Winner takes away $2,000 cash prize. Winner takes away $2,000 cash prize. So we have been doing this for 22 seasons now, so 22 months, almost 2 years. If you want to trade, if you want to make money on your own trading account, and also that you want to make additional amounts of money, you have to join this trading competition. We're not talking about winning credit. It is not credit. It is not fake money. Some other competitions will do that. We're talking about cash, $2,000 cash. I'm not going to tell you too much about Traders Club today because I know most of you already are in it. That's where we say the top prize of $2,000 cash up here. If you want to join Traders Club, LCMS Traders Club on Facebook. Go search for us and click join. $49 a month or $199 a year. For those Traders Club members, please remember, tonight, 8:30 p.m., there is going to be a coaching session. Tonight, 8:30 p.m., there's going to be a coaching session where Daniel will be teaching you about inside bars. He'll be teaching about inside bars. What is inside bars? I don't know. I'll be attending, I'll be watching and listening as well. So make sure, if I can learn from Daniel, I'm sure you can learn from Daniel as well. So make sure you attend 8:30 tonight, inside bars. And this is only for Traders Club members. With that said, let's look at the news. Okay, so Forex Factory here. Not much news happening today. Main thing is we're looking at, I've repeated this over and over already. We're looking at on Thursday and Friday, Jackson Hole Symposium on Friday. We see a lot of Fed Powell speaking, Bank of Canada's governor speaking. On Friday evening, we see Governor Bailey speaking as well. And then the symposium continues on. So what you have seen, I've been saying this for the whole week, is the market has been quite quiet. Market hasn't been doing that much. It's been quite quiet. Almost, gradually moving up or moving across, almost setting up for quite big moves coming through. Okay. At this point now, we don't know whether the big moves is going to be stronger US dollar or weaker US dollar. But as it progresses, I think I'm going to get a good idea of what is likely to happen. I will update it into the Traders Club for club members there. Okay, so nothing much to pay attention to over the next couple of days. Trading wise is going to be quite quiet, but we see that there are some levels that price is reacting to, especially for the pound US dollar. So let's switch over to the charts. Okay, so can you see my chart right here? Yes? Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, so this is the pound US dollar on the H4 time frame. Yesterday I said that, it looks like it's going to go up towards the 1.3125 level. It did that, it went up. Right now at this point, it looks like it's going to come down. Okay, it looks like it's going to come down a little bit, possibly back down to this 1.304 level or even 1.3 flat level. Okay, so I do think that it's going to come down. I don't think that it's going to be a reasonable trade, because if you're looking to sell down 60-70 pips profit for a 60 pip stop loss, 1-to-1, I'm not super keen on that. So my best suggestion for the pound US dollar will be to let it come down towards this level and then maybe sell it down further. So some questions I always get from viewers and from my club members and from students I've coached personally is, when do I review my support resistance lines? I've drawn these lines. We've done 100 videos on these lines already. When do I adjust? When do I move them around? Situations like that. Okay, so when I see that it's going to possibly come back towards 1.3 before reacting there, I would best suggest that I will move this line. It was here, I will adjust it back down to about 1.3, about that level there. I'll move my lines around and I'll say, okay, now this is the new support level that I'm looking for. If it breaks, so I'll let it come down towards this point. If it breaks below, then we could see, a good 150 pip downward move. Stop loss about 60-70 pips. Risk reward of 1:2. That would be a fantastic trade. If it comes down and bounces back up, then look for that again 60 pip stop loss, 180 pip take profit 1:3. That would be fantastic as well. So the main criteria right now, point number 1 is I moved my lines, I adjusted my line down because I found this as a a good new support level. Point number 2 is that I anticipate that the pound US dollar might come down slowly, maybe not that quickly, slowly, right? Drag it out a little bit, towards 1.3 level before possibly either bouncing back up or breaking lower towards the 1.28 level. Okay, so let it come down, let it react to this 1.3 level before deciding what's going to happen, whether it's going to shoot upwards or come downwards. There is possibly going to be a trigger. Okay, there's possibly going to be a trigger, most likely from Friday, where the Bank of England governor is speaking, or early next or later next week, where we see some economic numbers coming out from the US, which could trigger further that US dollar weakness or US dollar strength. Okay, so quite a bit of a shift in how we normally look at things for the pound US dollar moving lines and looking at the new expectations. With pound US dollar, let's look a bit into the euro pound. The euro pound, yesterday I said that I anticipate it was possibly going to come downwards because of that slight upward move in the pound US dollar, that inverse relationship we see happening. Still think that is going to happen, but I think that might not go as much. It might come towards about that support level of 1.89 1.8970, just to give you a nice round number, 1.8970, towards that point before we could possibly see a bounce up again. So I think that might happen for the euro pound. Come down towards 1.8970 before bouncing possibly back up towards 9033. Okay. Makes sense so far. I know Daniel is squinting to try and see the numbers and do the summary for you guys. So big thumbs up and round of applause for Daniel. Will there be a date I redo the whole chart for support resistance? Jason asked. No, there's no exact day or date that I redo the whole chart. I tend to adjust my lines as and when I see it becoming more or less relevant. Okay, so quick answer there for Jason. Okay, good stuff. One more thing I want to tell you about, right? So you notice that I was talking about the pound US dollar at that level, at the 1.30 level. There could be a trigger that would move prices a lot higher or a lot lower at that point. 180 pips upwards or 180 pips downwards, right? Those triggers are going to be economic events, are most likely going to be economic events. And how you find out about economic events, obviously join the Traders Club, right? Obviously join the Traders Club, but also, make sure you have a good handle of what's happening in terms of the economics analysis and all the news analysis. I know that's the hardest part for most people. So what we've been doing here is we've actually done up Forex Trading Asia. Okay, I'm assuming most of you are in Asia, so Forex Trading Asia. Don't worry if you are some of our viewers in Canada, in Peru, in Europe, in anywhere you are, you can still access Forex Trading Asia. I'm not going to discriminate against you, but head on to Forex Trading Asia. Right now, we're doing this register an account and get 100 points. So make sure you register your account. Oops, I already have my account. Okay. We will be sorting out something in terms of redeeming points away. Redeeming points to let you claim your points against something of value. Okay. But the main thing in Forex Trading Asia, we do our analysis here, giving you ideas of what the market is likely to happen, what to watch out for, market analysis, trading view, overviews of the US dollar, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so a lot of times if you don't know what to pay attention to, what news to look out for, you can also read it here. Okay, you can read it here with additional analysis to guide you through that trading process, to tell you whether to look for buying opportunities or whether to look for selling opportunities. It's all there. So make sure you sign up for Forex Trading Asia an account there, because I'm also writing there. I'm writing there to give you my analysis, and you get 100 points. With that said, Daniel, you can take it back.
Yes, great. Thank you very much, Jin. Great analysis on the pound USD and of course the euro pound as well. Excuse me. Okay, I'm going to launch a poll. Let me do a launch a poll here. Let's put the thing here. Flash poll on how do you think that this about this webinar? Okay. Let's get everybody to sign up. Let's do the poll. Come on, everybody. It's great. I got so many people of you do so. Okay, great. So by the way, for those who are new here, a recording of this video will be uploaded. Thank you for joining these sessions today. Tomorrow is a Thursday, so we will be talking about the yen and gold. So we're looking forward to see you then tomorrow. Bye.